welcome to our video on how to make money with Teespring. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income online, Teespring is an excellent platform to consider. With its easy-to-use interface and high-quality products, Teespring has become a go-to destination for anyone looking to start their own online business. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Teespring store, design successful t-shirt campaigns, and earn money with this popular print-on-demand platform. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of how to earn money with Teespring, let's first take a look at what it is and how it works. Teespring is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to design and sell custom apparel, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and tank tops, without any upfront costs or inventory. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to create a free account on the Teespring website. From there, you can set up your store and start designing your products. Teespring offers a variety of customizable templates and tools to help you create high-quality designs that will appeal to your target audience. Once you've designed your product, you can set your selling price and create a campaign to promote it. Teespring will handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, so all you have to do is sit back and collect your earnings. So, now that you understand the basics of how Teespring works, let's take a look at some strategies for maximizing your earnings on this platform. Tip number 1. Find your niche. One of the keys to success on Teespring is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a built-in audience. Whether it's a particular hobby, interest, or cause, focusing on a specific niche will help you create designs that resonate with your target audience and stand out from the competition. Tip number 2. Create high-quality designs. The quality of your designs can make or break your Teespring campaigns. Make sure to invest time and effort in creating designs that are visually appealing, on trend, and relevant to your target audience. Use high-quality images, fonts, and colors, and pay attention to the details, such as the placement and size of your design elements. Tip number 3. Use social media to promote your campaigns. Social media is an excellent tool for promoting your Teespring campaigns and driving traffic to your store. Share your designs on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and use hashtags and targeted ads to reach your ideal audience. Tip number 4. Offer discounts and incentives. To entice customers to buy from your store, consider offering discounts and incentives, such as free shipping, buy one get one free deals, or limited time offers. These can help increase your sales and boost your earnings on Teespring. Tip number 5. Continuously test and refine your campaigns. Finally, it's important to continuously test and refine your Teespring campaigns to optimize your results. Experiment with different designs, pricing, and promotional strategies, and track your metrics to see what's working and what's not. Use this data to make informed decisions about your business and to improve your overall performance on the platform. In conclusion, Teespring is an excellent platform for anyone looking to start an online business and earn passive income. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of success and build a profitable print-on-demand business. So, get started today and see how Teespring can help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And that concludes our ultimate guide to making money with Teespring. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful and that they inspire you to start your own successful print-on-demand business. Remember, success on Teespring takes time, effort, and persistence, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals and earn passive income online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.